A collection of nature haikus by Anton Amos. Warmth. Rise up and shower me with your extended warmth. Douse me in your light. The grass grows. I saw the grass grow. I focused days for an inch. A test of patience. The songbirds. The song of the birds sways its way across the blue hall with grace and grandeur. Piece of tree. All of the lone trees sway in the wind carelessly. I long for that peace. The currents. Many strong currents force their way to the seashore, ending their short lives. Smoky skies. A thick smoky sky carries moisture to the land and brings nourishment. The sound of rain. The pitter-patter of falling raindrops exude the rhythm of life. The cave. Dark and desolate, cacophony of echoes, damp depths await me.